Hello guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove TikTok. You may like suggestions or just change them. So the first method would be to, of course, just press refresh button, just like so. And as you can see, it changes a little bit. If you still don't like it, then you're going to go back, press on your profile, press on settings on those three lines at the top, then press settings and privacy. And after that, you want to, go on content and display and activity center. Once you will be on Activity Center, you're going to press Search History. And then you press Select at the top and select all of the history. And press or just select all at the bottom and press Delete and delete it. After that, go back a little bit and press on Notifications. Scroll and you will see Personalized Post Suggestions. You want to go ahead and turn off both of those posts from people you may know and posts you may like. Now, if none of that worked, you want to go ahead and scroll to the bottom of the page and press Help Us Improve. And then choose the suggested searches are not interesting or not personalized. And then you're going to choose which ones you don't like. And after that, you're going to press Submit. And it should change your mail like suggestions. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe. And I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.